Melamone Luxury Diaper, shared by Spring Garden One. Here we go. Come with me where we will be sharing a simple trick where you can save money by not using the bags that come in these diaper peel. And of course, it is just truly Spring Garden One. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. What I'll be doing, I'll be opening it to take out the bag that I put in it. What I've done, I have used a garbage bag instead of the regular one that's supposed to be in it. And that is it. And this is what the bag look like. But not only that, I'm going to show you what the bag looks like. We're going to count one diaper, because the other bags you can have 70. So we're going to count these diapers. And of course, these diapers are only pee diapers. You don't put poo diapers in this one. So we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, and for safety reason, health-wise, we use our gloves. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20 is inside of it. I didn't know what it said, we didn't put 70 in it, but at least we get 20. This is it. Get 20 inside of it. 20 diapers was removed from the diaper peel, and of course these are only pee diapers. 20 because I did not use the original bag that's supposed to be used in a diaper peel. So what I did, I used a garbage bag, and they said the original diaper peel bag supposed to hold 70. Well, they didn't make it to 70, we make it up to 20. And of course, these are, as I said, only pee diapers. Only pee diapers. 20 of them, all in this 20 garbage bag. And I just use this one instead of using the original bag that was supposed to be used inside of it. So 20 were used. Come with me, we'll be placing a regular garbage bag in the diaper peel instead of buying those ones that it came with. So I am going to use a regular garbage bag in the diaper peel instead of using the ones that it came with. And this is how I set my bag before I place it into the diaper peel. So what I'm going to do, open my diaper peel with my foot. Open it. This is what inside of it looks like when you open it here. Then I'm going to place the bag straight down inside of it. You make sure you keep the foot and the lid to open it. And you just place it straight, open it, put it straight all the way through. Then you pull it down on the inside. Pull it down on the inside. Then you close the top, and that is it. And of course, this is what it looks like. You just, when you use it, you have the use diaper, put it inside here, close with your foot, and that's it. Open, drop in here. So that's the inside of it. As I see, the diaper, the plastic bag went straight through. Just do nothing like this. Keep your foot on the lid down there, and do the steel plate stay open. Hold it down. That's it.